It do, MeloMOOD crew, it's your girl Ope, and I am back at it with another video.
Welcome to MeloMOOD crew, where we thrive to be the best version of ourselves, as we put an emphasis on moving with a sense of urgency. This is health and fitness made simple. With consistency and hard work, nothing is beyond our reach. I hope you heard me loud and clear. Now let's get to work.
As you can see from the title, today is just going to be a follow-along warm-up video. It's important to warm up to get your muscles warm and prepared for any exercise that you might take on afterwards. Remember to take deep breaths. And in 3, 2, 1, up next, butt kicks. When performing this warm-up, make sure to keep your core nice and tight, engage it, don't forget about it so you can activate every muscle. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, next. When performing this workout, obviously remember to take deep breaths and get nice and deep in that stretch so you feel it along your obliques.
Purchase your tracks today.
And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, next warm up. For this one, all I will say is just try and not swing your hips. Keep your core tight and try not to swing. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, next.
Purchase your tracks today.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Purchase your tracks today.
And we're on to the last one in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You should be feeling very warm by now. Once finishing up with your warm-up, try and stretch all the muscles with a focus on the muscles that you're going to work on that day. Anyways, thank you so much for joining me today. I'll see you guys in my next video. Lots of love. Mwah.